Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You've seen from that bit of video previous to this, new car on channel, Clio 197. Is it Cat N or Cat S?
Cat N.
It's Cat N damage from Copart. It's got a little, I'll just take you through bits and bats now and a bit up close, but you see down here this bumper, this front bumper should I say, doesn't sit right, and it's not in all its correct places, so the front bumper is going to have to come off and we'll have to see behind it on what the issue is. Whether it's just come out, whether it's something's broke, I don't know. Obviously you'll see, since he's done this, he's taken off the rear beam, but from that image you'll see that the back end's absolutely knackered. So, and this here is some of the bodywork damage, so it's going to need pulling out here. This has got pushed back, pulled out and all sorted out properly. I mean, we'll do the majority of it, but it needs a bit of specialist help on this one. Needs a new bumper. But other than that, those are the main issues on it. And as you'll see, well, as you can see, there's no rear beam on it now. He's got a replacement, not easy to find, but he's got a replacement. He's also got a replacement rear bumper, and this bit here that sits underneath got a replacement on that as well. So got bits ahead of time. I mean, inside, I think he's on the passenger side. Inside, it's all quite nice. Very nice actually. Just wants a quick tidy up. Probably some new mats, that's about it, but on the whole it's quite a nice car. Just wants a little bit of love and attention on the inside. Obviously you can see a lot of dirt everywhere, but we'll clean that up. So yeah, I'm just going to get the rear beam and show you the damage on that. So just a little look under the bonnet. We took the battery off because it's been going to be stood for a while. I don't want to kill the battery. Don't know where it's been, whether they've been rallying in it and that's how they come to get the accident, but in here it wants just a good clean, and then it'll obviously need a damn good service. Felt lucky with this car. It actually came with 2 keys, which is very unusual for a Copart car. So yeah, not too bad. But you saw it running in there. It does run. You saw it running a bit of video at the beginning. Yeah. Again, just an unloved car that we'll put a little bit of love back into. This is obviously my main concern. Just see if I can get under it. As you can see, it's just bent under here. So I'll have to pull that back, knock it back into shape a little bit. It's obviously come apart there, and then on that side, once we've bent that back, we'll push this down and then grind all this out, pull that out and do the best we can, and then obviously we'll send it to body shop and then to finish it off, because from a paint perspective, basically going to have all this side blended into the door. As I said, we've got a rear bumper, so it'll just be a replacement rear bumper as well. But yeah, Not sure what this is all about. We'll investigate that a later, unless he had... It looks like he might have had some like stupid wing on here at some point. Because it's on top as well. But yeah. Crack on with beam. So as you can see, this is the beam that was on the car. And you can see just here that you can see well is where the kink is. Well, that's a kink. That's a severe bend. Sourcing these was a pain in the bum. He got this one. Did you find that off eBay or?
It was off eBay, yeah.
Off eBay, claiming it was, yeah, well, it would fit a 197, but it don't. What Dave just pointed out, calipers fit on wrong side, and these are different lengths here, so a little bit of money wasted there, but we'll resell that, try and coop some money back. But this is the one that he's now found. As you can see, it's pretty much prepped. Just got to swap some bits over from that one to this one and put it back in the car. Very awkward one there.
It's a bit awkward to get to, and it's a bit rusty.
I'm just taking bits off this one so we can put them onto replacement. One stub axle. Right guys, classic British weather. Rain stopped play for a bit, but we're now under umbrella. Just going to put, I've already done that side, so I'm actually doing this side. We've got the disc here. Doesn't look in the best condition at the minute, but it's just to put it on to protect the stub axle basically. We will possibly either clean them up or replace them depending on how things pan out. As you can see with this one, it's all in position. Pipe works pretty much in position. You've obviously got that long pipe that goes along the entire beam here. Just using the old persuading tool. Fitting caliper. I think that one goes on the inside, doesn't it? And there she blows. Just got nuts put in on that side. But everything transferred over that needs to be, I believe, Dave.
That's correct.
Ready to go back in that car. And it stopped raining. Back in a bit. There you go, guys. Brilliant sunshine now. Put everything in place. Lately, I mean, it was a bit, like I said, a bit pin arse to get these rear beams for 197, but after a bit of searching, Dave found a place. It was in Norwich.
It was.
And it was called Citroen. If he sends me a link, I'll put a link in the description, so you know.
They also break Subaru.
Citroen, Renault, and they also break Subarus, so I'm sure if you give them a try, you might be able to find some parts that you need. But yeah, Citroen. Right guys, we're going to leave it there for today. Weather is going to be conspiring against him to get this back on car, so there'll be another one on this one, no doubt. But for now, we'll say that's it. So if you do like these videos, please click subscribe, share, drop us a like, Drop us a comment if you need. I'll catch you on the next one.